Thank you, Sakile. That look was fire, and I'm going to try my best to replicate it. What is good, Usi gang? My name is Usone Kaku, and I run the channel Usone Precious on YouTube. Yes, here on YouTube. And I make videos on natural hair, beauty, and a lifestyle. So if that is the kind of thing that you are into, you know, go ahead and subscribe, because this is the channel to subscribe to. So today is a very special video, because today I am doing a collab with my friend Sakile, and she has her own YouTube channel called Keelay Elise. So Sakile does style vlogging and other discussion type of videos on her channel. It's actually very fun. I personally do enjoy her channel myself, but I will let her go ahead and tell you about her own channel when we get to that part. So today's special collab video, okay? What is going to happen is that we're going to be doing a challenge. Basically, she's going to give me a look to copy, and I'm going to, well, copy it. And me also, I will do a look for her to copy, and she will copy that. But that video is going to be on her channel. So definitely when you're done watching this, I think this video is likely coming out before hers, I'm not sure. But when her video of copying my style comes out, be sure to go to her channel and check it out. I promise you guys, I really do enjoy her channel. So definitely wait for that video to come. So without any further ado, Sakile, please introduce yourself and your channel to us.
What's good, everyone? Hey, Usone. Oh my goodness, I'm so happy that you decided to have me on your channel. Thanks so much for having me. I'm so happy to be here. My name is Sakile Trowers, and I run the channel Keelay Elise. That's me. Now today, me and Usone, we're doing a swap challenge. So y'all, this is my head to toe look. Excuse the mess in the background, but this is my head to toe look. I don't have on my shoes. However, I will picture them in the corner up here. So those are the shoes that I'm wearing, and this is my head to toe look, y'all. So I got my fedora, I got my shades, you know. Let me put the shades on so y'all can see how it looks and how it's popping. Okay, we're gonna see how good we can swap and replicate one another's outfits. I'm so excited. This is gonna be great. So y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all, so I had to migrate and bring y'all to my bedroom, okay? And I'm going to walk through all of the makeup that I used in this look. So first, we will start with the eyes. I used two eyeshadow palettes, one being my Naked Urban Decay palette, and the other one being my Morphe palette. For my crease, as you can see in the picture, I used the color Dark Horse. So it's this dark brown color right here that I use for the crease slash transition. Then for the outer half of my lid, I use the next color down that's lighter, and that is called Smog. Then for my corners, I used Half Baked. As y'all can see, this is my favorite one. It's definitely the most used, even though I don't wear eyeshadow like that, but this is definitely my favorite. Used Half Baked for my corners of my eyes. Then for the inner eyelid, I used this color, this green color, and as you can see, these two are very similar. However, this one is slightly darker, and it gives a bit more of a fall vibe as opposed to like a bright kind of springish summery vibe. There's no names for these, but this is the one that I used. Now, y'all, I did not use foundation to execute this look, I must say, okay? No foundation to execute this look. These are the culprits right here. So this stick is my Milk Makeup foundation stick, and I used that to cut my cheekbones. As you can see, it's a little bit darker, and this color, it's Milk Makeup, and it's in the shade Rich. So this was, I believe, the darkest shade that they did have in this color. So I used this to cut the cheekbones as well as make my jaw a little bit stronger. Then I used my Juvia's palette shade stick that I got a couple weeks ago from Ulta. Yes, shout out to Ulta. And I used this. This is in the shade Cameroon. So I used that to do the under eye area, the forehead, the chin, and I even dotted a little bit along my jawline just to make sure that that contrast was on point, okay? All right, y'all, so as for my brows, I used the NYX Tame and Frame eyebrow gel along with my Anastasia eyebrow pencil. And so what I did was I brushed my eyebrows up, lined them, then I brushed them down, lined them, then I brushed them to the middle and filled it in. And then I put concealer around it because, come on, they gotta be crisp, they gotta be nice, you know? So that's what I did, and that's actually a very good way to execute eyebrows. It's something that I learned recently via Instagram. So if you all are interested, please do check that out. Y'all, this is quite a simple look. Ooh, Lord, where did my lipstick go? Oh, it fell on the floor. Y'all, I'm tripping right now. But yeah, this is actually quite a simple look. I use my NARS lip pigment for the lip along with a black liner. This is in the shade Spin Me. It's one of my favorite. Y'all, everybody who watches my channel, my subbies, they know that Spin Me is like my A1, my go-to. I did a little bit of blush, my Black Radiance blush palette. This one is very solid as well. Even though it does come in Target, it's not like one of the top of the line brands, but it really does what I needed to do, and it shows up very well on my skin, but it's not too overpowering either. Now, y'all, this highlighter that I use, this is my Nabla highlighter. I also got this from Ulta. And I tell you, this right here, this is so beautiful on Black women, okay? This right here is so beautiful on Black women. And it's the Nabla Skin Glazing. And I think that this is in the shade. I got a spam call coming in. My bad, guys. However, is the Nabla Skin Glazing Lucent Jungle. So, boom, there you go. That is what I use for the highlighter. And as you can see, it's not completely overpowering. However, it does make the spots that I applied it to pop very much, but it's not too much. So it's a very simple face. That is what I used, y'all. So now as for the outfit, I actually slicked my hair back into a little bun. Girl, Lord, I have a little piece of hair sticking up right here. I do not like that. I have to bobby pin that down. But I just simply parted my hair in the middle and literally slicked it back into a little puff. That's literally all I did. Now, this wide brim fedora, I got this from Target, and I really am surprised and very happy with the quality. Literally, y'all, the rest of my outfit is actually quite cheap. So this is a simple white button down that I got from a thrift store, I think when I was in Durham. And these cargo and my little cargo pants are from Walmart. So y'all, literally not a hard outfit, not an expensive outfit to execute, but you can look like $1,000,000, you feel me? Now y'all, the shades, these shades, I've been getting a lot of compliments on them. I got them from Amazon. So if you are interested, I will leave the link down below in the description. All right, y'all, so I'm back in the living room, and now, like I said, here's my full body. Now these shoes, I don't know if you can see them all that well. However, I got these from H&M. They might have been about $40-50, but they're very nice. I like wearing them because they're so comfortable. Like, I like wearing heels. Anyone who knows me knows that I love to wear heels, and these are so comfortable, and they match my hat. So yeah, didn't really do too much for the jewelry. I have a lot of earring holes, so quite honestly, I stay wearing studs, and so I just have studs in my ear, and I paired it with a very simple heart, a little gold heart necklace, and that's what I paired it with, because the rest of the outfit is a bit flashy, the way that you put the hat with the shades, so no need to go overboard with the jewelry, so I went simple on the jewelry. So y'all, that is how I executed this look. I hope that you enjoyed this, and Yusone, thank you again so much for having me on your channel. So y'all, if you're interested in anything that I talk about, if you like my style, please feel free to check me out at Keelay Elise on YouTube. Bye.
Thank you, Sakile. That look was fire, and I'm going to try my best to replicate it. And in the corner, I'm going to insert her picture in this video just so you all can get a reference of what I'm looking at. Currently, right now, I'm just priming my eyes before I get into the shadow. In her eyes, I was seeing a lot of greens and browns, so I chose a green-brown color is my transition color. That was what best matched her transition color, and I believe the shade I'm using is from my Juvia's 2 palette. Oh, I'm sorry, Nubian 2 palette, and the shade is Madagascar. I don't think I've ever used this color in my palette before, so it's great to have an excuse to, use some of your colors that you don't usually dip into, because, get your money's worth. Her green definitely looked sparkly to me, so I'm using the color Egypt from my Nubian 2 on my inner lid. I'm actually packing and blending it on with the color that I used previously. The color she used in her inner corner looked like a sparkly penny brown gold, so I took one of the colors from my Nubian palette and put it in my inner corner, and y'all will have to excuse me, small areas on my face. I need to get as close to the mirror as possible and make sure I concentrate a lot, so that's why my face is all up in your screen, but I ain't sorry. Now I went under my eyes with 2 of my lid shades, Madagascar and Egypt. I must say that at this point I was feeling pretty proud of myself because I felt like I was matching her eyeshadow quite well. But you be the judge of that. Let me know what you think down in the comments. Her cheeks were really red and rosy, so I used my red Vino Milani blush, and boy, my blush just showed. But it's all good. Her highlight looked very natural and gorgeous, so I'm using my Fenty Beauty cinnamon stick. But I don't know why I looked pissed off in this video. Just know that I wasn't, and that my day was great and everything is okay on my end. Okay, so Sakile used a very dark and burgundy lip. So here is Lax, which is a very dark red. And because it covered my lip liner, I am going back over it with a liner. This is actually not a liner. It's really, well, it is a liner, but it's eyeliner that I'm using on my lips. I decided to get creative since I didn't have any very dark black lip liners. So yay me for creativity. And this was a matte lip, so I glossed over it to give mine the same shine hers had. And this is also the same reason why lipstick kept getting on my teeth. After spraying to give my face some shine, I am done and I look gorgeous. Okay, so this part is getting filmed vertically because I needed you all to see the full body goodness. So the shirt is actually not mine, it's my brother's dress shirt. I borrowed it from him, but the trousers, they're mine. So they're just my cargo trousers, and I am not wearing a fedora. I actually don't own hats like that, so I have this one beret. I couldn't wear the beret all the way because I had just gotten my hair done in a wash and go at a salon, so I wasn't trying to mess up my style. But this outfit is paired with some glasses, and I do have a chain with a pendant on my neck. I'm not sure if you can tell, part of it is hidden in my shirt. But I was looking good.
Okay, well, if you enjoyed this collab, then you are in luck, my friend, because like I mentioned before, there is another part to this collab over on Sakile's channel. So definitely go and check out her channel and go and check out that video when it comes out, or if it's come out. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, a big giant thumbs up. Hit that like button, okay? And also, what would you rate me? Comment down below. Just tell me down below, how well do you think I matched her style? Was it a hit or did I miss? Okay. please. No ratings below a 10, please. No ratings below a 10. I'm joking, but yes, comment down below. And last but not least, if you haven't subscribed yet and you got all the way to the end of this video, what's wrong with you? Okay, subscribe. This is the channel to be at. Okay, subscribe and go and check out Sakile's channel, and I will see you next time.